yung picture ng isang mahusay na politiko ay naniniwala sa Diyos.
Mhm.
May ganyan tayo di ba? Pero belief is not, does not automatically translates into action Di ba? Kasi madali naman, yung performative politics na sinasabi natin.
Mhm.
We can always invoke God, we can always recite Bible verses,
Mhm.
di ba? We can show the people that we are part of a religious organization.
Mhm.
But pag tinanggal mo yung camera, sino ba sila talaga doon?
Right.
Di ba? Pagka gabi na at may mga closed door na mga meetings, ano talaga yung nangyayari? Tayo naman, dahil we only vote on the basis of what we can see. Di ba? Kasi very visual ang politics sa atin
Very
Parang,
visual,
what you see is what you get.
What you
Parang
see,
ganun.
what you get.
That's why
Correct,
many politicians invest in the image that they portray to the public.
Image is everything.
Yeah,
ano?
image is everything. Di ba? So kung nakikita ka nilang ganito.
Mm.
Kaya mahalaga na mayroon tayong fact-checking, yung at tinitingnan natin na yung charisma nila, the only way to fight charisma is to humanize the person. Na hindi siya special Walang special na politiko. Hindi natin kailangan ng misaya sa Malacanang, hindi natin kailangan ng misaya sa Kongreso. What we need are public servants.
Public
Di ba?
servants.
And if you want to put the religious side to it, is we need servant leaders. At sino ba yung servant leader na
leadership with a conscience.
Yeah, leadership
No?
with a conscience, di ba? And with authentic faith.
Authentic faith.
Authentic faith.
Beautifully said, Prof. No?